This is the one-day reading for the S&P 500 for February 28th, 2022. And the overall behavior for the day is an opportunity to open up some short positions or protect against long positions by some puts, that sort of thing, in the midst of some rallying. Looks like we had an opportunity right around the close on Friday the 25th to open up some calls or some long positions, and it looks like we have a low here possibly, and a high as well. It looks like low and a high correlator around the open. That's that big lover's card is that two equal and opposite moves that cancel each other out, so it would make sense you have a high and a low there. So big move in that first half hour, flight to safety in the midst of or an opportunity. That first opportunity is in that first that hour between like 10 and 11 o'clock, and then there's a flight to safety after that rally. We meet a low after selling from a close to overbought on the RSI location. We meet a low after selling from a peak there between roughly between roughly 11 and 12 o'clock, and then another notable move to the upside, possibly from a support all the way back up to the resistance that we met earlier in the day, and that's another rally marking opportunity to open up some of those bearish positions, and then we meet a notable price level again between 1 and 2 o'clock, and that's that truce card, same card, so it's likely the same price level. Truce card again, it's as likely the same price level as wherever we met on the 25th around that truce card, which was the 2 to 3 o'clock hour. So roughly we likely meet that same level right around there, and then we have a rally out of that, another bullish move to meet to break through resistance before briefly and then falling back down through that same price level to form like a peak right there in that 2 to 3 o'clock hour. In the last hour of trading, we have a breakdown through a diagonal support level. There's a bit of a move higher, and then a breakdown through that diagonal trend line with increasing volatility on the way down. We sell down to looks like a low in the midst of the post market. Behavior around the high. There's multiple failed attempts to break key resistance. Behavior on the low, we meet the low after very sharp declines based on multiple headwinds. And I'm going to want to place my trades within the midst of, I'm going to want to place bearish trades within the midst of these rallies today. It looks like 2-ish to 3, it looks like 4 trade opportunities there, possibly even 5. Crazy. Pre-market, then 10 to 11, 12 to 1, 2 to 3-ish, and then around the close. All right, guys, that's the one-day forecast for the S&P 500 for February 28th, 2022. It's currently February 21, 2022. The time is 11:08 p.m. Best of luck to y'all. Do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see. We're doing some requests, guys, kind of spreading the word here, trying to get as much free content as we can within reason. So if there's something you're interested in, check it out. Let us know in the comments, guys. Might be able to get to that. And I'll see you all later.